What's up, guys? Camera Switch Vlogs here. Okay, switch along here. I don't know why my flashlight's on, but I'm gonna show you guys a brief thing of our show you our cleanup setup, our set 2017 cleanups, leaf cleanups. Got our 16 zero turn with the Ultra Vac X series. Our Thatcher right down there. Sorry, we just got. We did a cleanup a couple days ago. Never did. Our backpack blower. Then we got our 7x14 dump with a. I'm thinking maybe it might be an 18 horsepower giant vac. Completely empty right now because we did some cleanups. Got our 01 F250. Took our blade off. I don't trust it on that. Look at guys. Hey, the background noise. Nice brother. There guys, see this thing that would work. Get it down for a second. Hey guys, I got that. This thing was like muddy as hell after my one ride. Won't be doing a motor vlog today later. I might be, so I might be uploading 2 videos. That thing is looking muddy. Got my Ride Nick shirt camo, or Nick camo shirt on. Trailer hitch for this thing. Car's flat up there. I will do a start video on that. I might do a cold start. Hey, the keys for the truck. I'll do a cold start for you guys fast. That's if I get the keys from Dad. Pause you guys for a few, and then this is what goes on. Still waiting for the keys, guys. Okay. How long the video is gonna be, but hopefully this will work out well. I'm sorry I've been taking a lot of breaks. I've been busy. Been busy nesting all this, and I just sunk into some mud. What, guys? Seriously, hopefully, yeah, I played around with the stuff a little bit. I get this thing running. I get my baby running. Alright, I'm back. Let's see if we can get this cold start. I don't know how good of quality this is going to be, but I'm going to try to do a cold start. Let's see. That's a right next dream truck right there. That was a cold start on my 01 F250 XLT of the blade. But guys, I hope that was good. So I do one separate. Just do it like on when it's colder out. But see you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.